Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a generic 4K professional quadcopter drone, specifically the gray model. This drone is marketed towards adults and seems designed with beginners in mind, while still offering some features you'd expect from a more capable aircraft. Right off the bat, the camera is a key selling point. It's advertised as having a 4K UHD camera, which sounds impressive. However, looking closer at the specifications, the actual video capture resolution is listed as 1080p. The effective still resolution is 12 megapixels. So, while it might capture 4K stills, or the sensor is capable of 4K, the video recording appears to be limited to 1080p. This is supported by a 2-axis gimbal. A 2-axis gimbal provides stabilization on the pitch and roll axes, helping to smooth out forward, backward, and side-to-side movements. It won't stabilize against yaw left-right rotation, so you might still see some slight shakiness if you're panning the drone quickly. For stable, crystal-clear footage, especially for static shots or smooth forward flight, the 2-axis gimbal should certainly help compared to a drone with no stabilization at all. Powering the drone is a 2,250 mAh battery, which the manufacturer claims provides up to 30 minutes of flight time. 30 minutes is a respectable flight duration for a drone in this category, allowing for extended shoots or plenty of time to explore an area without constantly worrying about landing. Of course, actual flight time can vary depending on wind conditions, flight speed, and how aggressively you're flying. The operational range is stated to be up to 2 kilometers. This is a significant distance and means you can send a drone quite far out to capture expansive landscapes or reach viewpoints that are otherwise inaccessible. Flying at such distances requires confidence and a reliable connection, which brings us to the real-time video transmission. The drone promises high-definition video transmission without delay, which is crucial for flying at range and for an immersive first-person view experience through the app. Seeing exactly what the drone sees in real time helps with framing shots and navigating safely. Beyond the core flight and camera specs, the drone is highlighted as beginner-friendly, which is great for newcomers to the hobby. Being app-controlled is standard these days and allows for easy access to flight settings, camera controls, and viewing the live feed. The long battery life, as mentioned, is also listed as a special feature, reinforcing the 30-minute claim. Overall, this generic 4K professional quadcopter drone in gray appears to offer a solid package for its likely price point, especially for someone starting out. It provides a decent flight time and range, a camera capable of 1080p video and 12MP stills with 2-axis stabilization, and features designed to make it accessible to new pilots. It seems like a capable tool for capturing aerial photos and videos for hobbyists, or those looking to explore drone photography without investing in a high-end professional model.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.